At KBR, we are an end-to-end solutions provider.
We plan, organize, and support all aspects of foreign military aviation,
infantry training, logistics,
operations, IT, and maintenance support.
Our team of highly skilled instructors
and technicians create comprehensive
Training programs tailored to our customers' needs.
KBR specializes in ground operations support,
which is critical to create a foundation for real-world mission requirements.
our guidance, operational support,
and risk management services that ensure operations are successful and personnel are safe.
KBR trainers create realistic training environments that promote tactical decision-making and adaptability,
We offer valuable training opportunities for ground forces,
allowing them to hone their skills and familiarize themselves with various weapon systems.
Together, these support areas optimize ground operations, ensuring readiness, effectiveness, and the ability to accomplish mission objectives.
Aircraft maintenance is a critical aspect of ensuring operational readiness. A dedicated team of highly skilled and experienced maintenance personnel are responsible for the comprehensive maintenance, inspection, scheduled and unscheduled repair of the aircraft. Through ongoing research, development, and maintenance, we train to ensure troops are on the forefront of aviation safety.
From classroom instruction to mission planning and tactical operations. And the ultimate goal is to provide realistic and enhanced training for the units as they face dynamic and complex scenarios for the exercise.
At the motor pool, we service a variety number of vehicles. Vehicle maintenance is a critical aspect of ensuring operational readiness.
KBR is committed to helping our customers achieve mission objectives,
Enhancing capabilities,
and ensuring the safety and success of the air crews.
Because when it matters most, customers call KBR.
We are the team behind the mission.